Welcome back, guys. I'm Dwight from Impact Off-Road, and today we're going to fit a rear lift kit to an S510P. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, and there we have it. Now, if you'd like to come over to the vise, and I'll show you what we do next. You'll find two plates, one with bigger holes than the other. Take the small plate, pop it over there. Two big plates there, one for the other side. Now, closing your vise, and a nice little tap. And your pin will release from the old. Also from this. Don't need a lot of effort, just tap it off. Two pins, one longer than the other. The longer pin always goes through on top. If you have a look at your bracket, there's a wide and a narrow. So put my long pin through the wide, slightly open your vise. Now, from standard, they have one that way and one this way, but if you're looking to fit a tow bar in the future, if you put them both on the same side, you'll find that you have clearance to fit your tow bar at a later date. Now, taking the smaller hole plate, we now have a new spring hanger, and we'll pop that on. Come back with me. Okay, don't forget to put a little bit of lubricant on your pins. No pressure at all, slip straight in. Also, you need that to be wide. Pop that on. Make sure your pins and your go in from the outside to the inside, nuts on the inside, and that should keep you out of trouble. Repeat the same process for the other side. If you need your lift kit, see us online, Impact Off-Road. Thank you.